Hello friends, how are you all? As you know, summer vacation is coming, so I'm gonna show you how to make a paper airplane, and when it's summer vacation, you can play with it. We just need a paper, and let's start making it. So first, we have to fold it like this. Okay, and then we have to open it. See, there's a now. And then you need to make like a triangle on both sides. Okay, and then you have to take both of them and then fold it down. Okay, and then do this to make another triangle. Then do it on the other side. Then take this piece and fold it like that. Then take the whole paper and fold it like this. Then take the whole paper again. And then fold it like that. Just keep on pressing. There you get a paper airplane. Yay! Can you see it? So let's just try it now. Yeah! Whoa! I'm gonna throw it back to you. Whee! And it crashed. And I'm gonna, one more time. It works! So that's it for today. Post your paper airplanes in the comments below, and stay awesome, stay safe, bye. Whee!